Hello there. Welcome to Bunny Stories Books. Today I will show you my cute kittens. I love kittens. Who is there? Hello, I am just an intelligent, charming, and calm kitten. Hey there, this is brand new coat. It is so cozy. I am a huge Star Wars fan. Hi there. I am just taking a morning walk. This making me hungry. I need a snack. What are you going to be for Halloween? I am a frog. Ribbit. I can't let him see me, or I lose hide and seek. You are not getting away this time. Oh, this is awesome. Can I please have a treat, with sugar on top? Gymnastics is hard. 3 little kittens sitting in a cup. Me and my sister having some fun. I am almost ready for my big race. Time for a little nap. Which one do you like the most?